Yo, splish, splash, splish, splash. Yo, splish, splash. Let me tell y'all, this has been a shoe I've been wanting for a very, very long time because it wasn't exclusive and it wasn't released to the States. And now it finally has. And the shoe you're looking at today is the Argons. I've been wanting these for a very, very long time, honestly. Let's check these out together. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your Kid Nepper. I hope you're having a great day and hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, right, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we are taking a look at today is one that hasn't released since 2006. This colorway I've always really wanted, and I didn't think that Nike was ever gonna go ahead and actually bring this back. It was, if I'm not mistaken, it was exclusively for Japan, but now they have brought it to the States. And as of 2 weeks ago, last week, they dropped over on Nike sneakers, and literally it was like one of the only sneakers I was really wanting for this month. And they did go ahead and give your boy a W. And that sneaker that we're gonna be looking at today and we're talking about today is the Nike Dunk Low in the Argon colorway. Yes, like I said, these did release over in Japan. They were an exclusive, meaning that they were never available to the States. But now Nike decided to say, you know what, let's get the people in the States what they want. So I'm really excited because this has been a colorway that I've been wanting for a very long time. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. I did do a review over the Nike Dunk Low Dark Marina Blue, and in that video I talked about how the colorway off the Dark Marina Blues kind of resemble this of the Argon. So we're gonna see how these look compared to the 2006 version that came at that time. So with all that said, let's dive into these dunks together. Let's go. All right, first and foremost, I'm sorry, I don't know what that was. I was super excited. Before we dive into these Nike Dunk Low Argons though, I do want to go ahead and tell you guys, thank you so much for the love and support that you guys show. Seriously, it means so much. I know I haven't been as consistent with my videos. I've just been busy on something that's going on in my life, you know. I want to take a small little break as well, just to kind of, you know, get myself more on track and in tune with other things going on in my life as well. So I haven't forgot about y'all at all. Trust me, I haven't. Your boy's just been trying to, you know, take a little breaks here and there. However though, like I said, I really do appreciate you guys so much. So thank you for all the love and support that you guys seriously show. We're on the race right now to like 3K. I think we're at 2,500, and I'm just blessed for that. Seriously, I'm blessed for the love and support that you guys always show. So let's keep the momentum up and let's keep on going. Thank you guys so much. Also, this is your first time checking out any of my videos. Hey, appreciate y'all very much. If you haven't already, make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. That way, anytime I drop a video, you can be alerted and notified. That way you can check it out immediately. Also, I like to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing, and I usually try to match it with some sort of accessory, normally headbands. So like I said, we're reviewing the Nike Dunk Low Argon. I'm gonna go ahead and get this Nike headband on, and we're gonna take a beautiful look at these babies right now. Let's go. All right, here we go. We got our Nike headband. We got the all white with the black check. So now we can go ahead and dive into these. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing really quick. Oh, I like the packaging that actually put this in. They actually went ahead and make it more like a more concealed box, which we love right there. Let's go ahead and slide it out. So like I said, these did go ahead and release last week. They were on Nike sneakers. The last time they ever did release was 2006. And they were exclusively for Japan. So I'm happy to see that they have now made their way to the States now. Here we go right here with the box, as you can see. And let's go straight into it. I'm just I'm really excited. So as you can see, you have your all red Nike box with your Nike logo and text right there done in white. Looking on the other side, you do have your side description, which I will read right here, and then you also have Nike right there as well. So it does read Nike Dunk Low Retro QS. What's that? Quality special? I don't know. We have Flash White Argon Blue Flash. This is a 10.5 in men's, and in women's this is a 12. For those that do care, I will also go ahead and read the SKU code. SKU code does read DM0121400 And it doesn't say it, but the retail price for these, which is actually kind of surprising, was $130. So here we go right here. As you can see, we do have the Nike Dunk box right there. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm actually gonna give you guys a better perspective because I like you guys to see it as well. So let's go ahead and pull it back together. Let's go ahead and pull the box, as you can see. Ooh, that sneaker smell, you know what I'm saying? And then we got just the plain white tissue paper right here. Let's go ahead and pull them back. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we go. Right here, the Nike Dunk Low and the Argon. Ooh, got my way. These are tough. Yeah, these are nice. I can't believe them. Since 2006 to now. Do they come with extra laces? No. No. That's okay. I got some laces in different dunks. Let's go ahead and put it up right here. And here we go right here though. Here we go right here, the Nike Dunk Low and the Argon colorway. Oh man, it's been a long time. I'm so happy. I honestly wouldn't mind doubling up on these, to be real. What do we go to one head and release? Which one do we want to go ahead? I said release. Which one would do one head review? Let's go ahead and review what's better for the camera. I feel like the left is better. We're gonna review the left. We're gonna review the left. So here we go, right here. Starting with the outsole, as you can see, you have a kind of like a toothpaste blue, like kind of that minty toothpaste blue outsole right there. You have Nike logo right there at the bottom of the outsole. Looking at the midsole, you do have an all white midsole that goes all the way around the sneaker as well. Looking at the back of the heel, you do have your heel right there. You have Nike in a dark blue, and then you also have it kind of goes around with your swoosh right there. Looking at the sides as well, you have kind of like a 1, 2, and like a two-tone. You have your dark blue right there. You also have your your Argon blue right there, or your toothpaste mint blue, and then you do have your dark blue right there. And then going back to the toothpaste mint blue, then you do have your white swoosh right there. You do get hit with your white laces right there, which is very nice. Looking at the tongue right there, you have a white tongue with your same as well on the sides, your Nike toothpaste blue color right there. Then as you can go ahead and take the shoe tray out, you do get hit with looking at the insole here, you get hit with, as you see the size description, or the size tag right there is 10.5, and you do have Nike in that blue right there. And the insole also is just how it has on the sides as well, that toothpaste blue right there. I like these, man. I like these a lot. Like when I saw these were coming back out, I was like, hey, I was telling my friends, all my other people to enter for me, please, as well, because these are very nice. But comment down below, let me know what you feel about these Nike Dunk Low Argons. Let's go ahead and show y'all the other ones right here. And I like it. I like the fact that Nike was able to go ahead and finally bring, kind of, I guess, say this is a retro of something that released before. And from what I've seen, this has not changed in its original form either. Because sometimes, they'll bring stuff back and there'll be minor changes here and there. But this is really nice, honestly. I like these. The quality on them is nice. I don't see any crazy, glue stains or anything like that. So, like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think about these Argon dunks. Also as well, I almost forgot. When it comes to sizing for Nike Dunk Low, so if you've never owned a Nike Dunk Low or a Nike Dunk High, the sizing for these are very true to size. I'd say I would base them off of an Air Force 1, an Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 1 High. If you own any of those silhouettes, go the same sizing that you are in those into the dunks, and you'll be perfectly fine, for real. These are nice though. I do like them. I'm happy the fact that Nike went ahead and brought these back. I am gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I am gonna go ahead and show you guys a closer perspective. That way, if you are in or deciding to buy these, you can make your decision, and hopefully this review will go ahead and enhance your purchase to go ahead and purchase these. So here we go right here. But these are what they look like, the Nike Dunk Low Argon. Let me know what you think about it. I mean, In comparison to the 2006 pair, I have never actually owned that, so I don't have a comparison as far as like in hand. But from what I've seen from this pair to pairs in the pictures, these are very, very nice. Honestly, I do like them. If you look over on the secondary market as well, these are not going for that bad in price. I mean, I've seen some prices go for like 120. I don't know how much or how long that could be. Maybe you might want to capitalize on it, but it's starting to see that like sneaker resale is kind of going down, which is really good, because, you know, for sneaker enthusiasts like ourselves and, you know, me, it's like really, really good. So let me know what you feel about these Nike Dunk Low Argons. Comment down below what you think about them, and if you do like them, hey, tell me, are you going for them? Are you gonna cop them? And if so, hit me over on Instagram, comment down below, let me know, hey, I got them, I didn't get them, they're that. Let me know your opinions, because I really would like to appreciate it very, very much. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to conclude today's video over the Nike Dunk Low in the Argon colorway. Like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think about them. I really, really, really greatly appreciate your guys' love and support, seriously. I know I haven't been as consistent as of much. I do have other stuff going on, but more videos and more reviews are on the way, seriously. So let's keep the support, let's keep the momentum up, because it really means a lot for me. However, also as well, if you haven't, make sure you definitely go ahead and tap in with the community post over on the channel as well. I try to keep you guys updated and I'm up to date with just like sneaker related information and news as best as I can. And your guys' engagement is really, really fun for me to go ahead and see your guys' feedback. It's really, really interesting. So if you did enjoy this video, definitely leave it a like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. This has been your boy, this has been your kid. The On Feet review is coming up right now. And until then, it's your boy, it's your kid. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.